Hey guys, it's Johnny. Welcome back to the Wanderlust bus. So today, let me start off by apologizing. And apologizing because we haven't done a video in quite some time, nor have we really updated any of our social media. And that's because the Wanderlust bus bit my wife, and she's been suffering from a bulging disc in her neck because she ran into one of our bay doors. So we've been out of commission for about 5 weeks. I've been working on other stuff inside. But now we're back at it, we're back in the bus, and today we're starting off by doing some of our finishing work, and that starts off with some hard oil. And the product we're using is a product by Auro USA. You can check their website out, it's aurousa.com. But it is a pure solid hard oil. It's number 123, just in case you need to know which number. And it's a phenomenal product. It seals the wood, and it is completely safe. Like, it's safe to use on toys. It actually says it on the back there, toys. So we are going to use this on any of our wood surfaces that are not the floor and the ceiling. The floor and ceiling are going to get a different product, and we'll talk about that in another video. But for now, what we need to do is start off by cleaning off this whole shelf unit with denatured alcohol, and that's just to get any of the oils and stuff from being in the bus and touching it and stuff, to get it clean so that we can start applying this oil. Alright, so once we got the shelf all nice and clean as far as the denatured alcohol goes, then we just wiped it down, let it dry, made sure it was, you know, not had alcohol still left on it. And now we're just applying with a silicone brush. Probably one of the best tools I've bought through this whole process. There's no waste, you don't have to worry about it, and it's really easy to clean, even if you forget about it. Now this is just like any other wood finish product. You get the finish on and then you wipe it off as it absorbs in. This has a 30-minute pot time, so you got 30 minutes once you get it applied in order to get it clean and get it all wiped down and finished how you need it to. Multiple coats are possible. You can do it as many times as you want. And reapplication every once in a while is a good idea too. Just depending on how much you use it. I mean, if it's not a big, high traffic area and you aren't moving a lot of stuff around, you probably won't need it as much. But truthfully, everywhere in here, there's going to be hands-on stuff all over the place. So there's really need for reapplication as things go on. Once I get it on, I'm just using an old an old t-shirt that is really removed of any lint. Alright, so we've got a lot of hard oil to put on this thing, and we're going to do that. And when we get done, I'll come back and show you what the end result looks like. Alright, well, a little bit ago I told you guys that I was going to be right back after we finish this bookcase and I show you the end result. Well, truth of the matter is, it's been probably around a month and I have put this stuff on literally everything in the bus. We put it on the back cabinets where our shelving unit is for the closet. We put it on the boxes that go in those shelving units, as well as the veneer on top of those shelving units. That was like 26 boxes plus all of the shelves, and this shelf, and the shelves in the cabinets up front, and all the drawers that we could find, and there's still a little bit of product left. So hey guys, this goes a long way. Auro Pure Solid Hard Oil number 123. Now this is 123, but if you go to their website and check it out, they have a ton of different stuff for all of any woodworking project you might have, or a ceiling project for wood. They've got it handled for you. They've got some other projects too, but go check them out on their website, aurousa.com. And come back next time and we'll be doing something else. Until then, guys, I'm Johnny with the Wanderlust Bus. I'm gonna finish this up. Thanks for stopping by. Hey guys, you made it to the end of the video. Thanks so much for watching. There's some related content down below on either side that you can check out, as well as that big round subscribe button right in the middle. Go ahead and hit that, and then make sure you turn on your notifications so you know when we upload new content. Also, make sure you go by our social media, our Instagram, our Facebook, and all the others. And if you find value in what we do, we'd love to have you swing by our Patreon page and give us some support on this journey. We'd love to have you along for the ride with us. Until next time, guys, I'm Johnny with the Wanderlust Bus. Thanks for stopping by.